Do you feel stiff when you get up from sitting? Are any of your joints sore when you fully move them? Do your hands feel stiff? Do any of your joints feel swollen? Or do you have unexplained nasal congestion? If you answered yes to any of the above, there is a very good chance that there is a fire inside of you and you have signs of chronic inflammation. According to Yahoo Health, many scientists now believe that most chronic diseases that we fear most, including heart disease, cancer and Alzheimer's, are all caused by chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation can cause the following diseases and health hazards: joint pain, cancer, asthma, irritable bowel syndrome, allergies, arthritis, arterial diseases, obesity and weight gain, tumor formation, skin disorders, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, congestive heart failure, heart disease. Environmental variables such as stress, smoking, certain chemicals or substances, and certain foods have all been shown to support the onset of chronic inflammation. These are all factors we can, for the most part, reduce or eliminate from our lives, e.g., learn to manage stress, don't smoke, reduce exposure to harmful chemicals, etc. And of these, diet is the single most important controllable factor in regards to whether or not an individual experiences chronic inflammation. Food is the most important element because this is of course how our bodies obtain the nutrients necessary to support life. Food also sets the stage for the functioning of the body's metabolic systems. Healthy diets support healthy metabolic system functioning, and likewise, unhealthy diets result in unhealthy metabolic system functioning, and the onset of illness, disease and conditions caused by chronic inflammation. Top 3 deceptive foods that inflame your body, causing chronic inflammation and painful joints. 1. Margarine. Man-made trans fats and hydrogenated oils, otherwise known as Franken fats, are laden with artificial ingredients, and they are the ones to be avoided, not the naturally occurring fats. They are some of the most chemically altered foods you can consume. It is these kinds of fake fats that you need to be afraid of because they are the culprits creating chronic inflammation in your body. Touted as the healthier alternative to butter because it is made from vegetable oil instead of animal or dairy products, margarine has made its way into every grocery store in the country. Unfortunately, it is comprised of hydrogenated oils and it's very high in trans fat versus good old-fashioned butter, which consists of sweet cream and salt. In most varieties of margarine, you will find up to 15 ingredients and usually only 2 to 3 in real butter. 2. Non-dairy creamers. For coffee lovers and enthusiasts everywhere, non-dairy creamers have become an integral part of the day. Over time, however, they will also add a considerable amount of trans fat to your diet. Don't be fooled by the low-fat and non-fat varieties, since they still have partially hydrogenated oils as the second or third ingredient listed. It's this kind of foods that are the real ninjas in the food war that's inflaming your body on a regular basis. They sneak their way in quietly, leaving you susceptible and vulnerable to attack. If you drink a lot of coffee and typically use products like this to flavor it, you can be contributing to chronic inflammation and pain without even knowing it. 3. Microwave popcorn. Popcorn has been around for years and was always considered a healthy snack alternative compared to sugary things like cake, cookies and ice cream. Sure, popcorn or popped corn is something natural and by itself can be healthy, however, that's not how most people consume it anymore. The only thing scarier than the movie you're watching is the bowl of popcorn on your lap. Now super convenient microwave popcorn has been loaded with gooey toppings like processed cheese and caramel flavors. There's no telling what has been added to what was once a smart decision, and we're not even talking about toxic bag lining. Microwave popcorn is loaded with sneaky trans fats which are much thicker and harder for your heart to move through your arteries. These trans fats are like eating sludge. Your body can't digest it, leaving it to rot in your gut. So now it's up to you what you need and what you want. Here we recommend the #1 program that fixed all your problem in a short period. Here you can learn which 5 fatty foods can help protect your heart, lower blood pressure and improve the ease of your breathing. Do you love grilled steak? Great news, find out how it can help you battle inflammation and pain. Beware of the 3 sinister foods that most of us eat every day, that are keeping our bodies in a constant state of inflammation and pain. Discover the single most important vitamin that can help ease joint pain and inflammation. How adding this one refreshing beverage can help start the process of extinguishing the inflammation that is going on in your body. We will show you the big 6 herbs to have in your kitchen cupboard in order to turn any meal into inflammation and pain-fighting meal in seconds. 90% of people are deficient in this vital mineral that is important in controlling your sugar and insulin levels. You might think that saturated fats are bad for you, but let us show you the saturated fat that helps eliminate chronic joint inflammation and helps you lose weight. The best kind of cherries to eat in order to get the most vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Plus they will protect you from cancer, cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome and Alzheimer's. Do you know which type of grape is the best for your health, inflammation or pain? We will let you know. No, it is not green grapes. Eating trans fats will keep you in a chronic state of pain and inflammation. We will show you 10 yummy and healthy fat-rich foods that will help you increase your energy and allow you to move easier. Learn the 5 best vegetables to have in your salad in order to maximize your anti-cancer agents, vitamin E, vitamin C, and illness-preventing antioxidants. We highlight the best fruit to help ease your joint soreness. No, it is not apples. It is a little bigger. If you have a headache and plan to reach for an aspirin, stop. Discover which herbal tea is as effective as aspirin for pain relief. Pill or tea, the choice is yours. The 13 most important ingredients to look for in a supplement for optimal joint health. Don't know what to eat? We give you a step-by-step 7-day meal plan that you can follow right now in order to start easing your chronic joint inflammation. Wonder what foods are keeping you inflamed? We show you the Sinister 12 food that is keeping you in a state of chronic inflammation. Make sure to avoid these. Are you cooking with an artificial synthetic oil? Learn 4 natural oils that you can use that are healthy and good for you to use. Go and check the description box and click the link below. Please, for further health-related videos, please subscribe to our channel and make sure don't forget about like, share and comments.